Let's see how to insert page numbers in two formats in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, first, let's go ahead and add another page. There we go. Now, let's go and try to put our page numbers. Click on top of the page. Let's choose this one, the first plain number 1. And as you can see, that header on the second page is automatically linked to the first page. Now what we can do is, first off, let's go ahead and delete this page, this second page. And instead of simply clicking Control Enter or by adding a blank page, let's go ahead to the Layout tab, click on Break. Now click on Next Page. And what that will do is it will divide your paper into two sections. So as you can see right here in our header, we have section 1, and in our header in second page, we have section 2. Now, make sure that you unselect or unclick this option right here to link to previous. And now that it isn't linked to the previous page, we can go ahead and insert our page numbers. So let's go ahead and try it again. You have 1 right there. And as you can see, we have nothing on the second page. Now let's try and insert another page number in a different format. Let's select this one. And as you can see, we now have two different page numbers on our header in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.